Dude, we got concrete. Doesn't that look super exciting? Just a brown rectangle on the ground.
So exciting.
Well, it's been a day, and it's, you know, set up all the way. Now it's just curing, is that right?
Yeah.
And it's got to cure for 28 days. So on June 1st, we'll be able to use the lift. But you're like, but Bo, there is no lift. Hopefully in the next like week and a half, 2 weeks, we'll be putting the lift up, putting studs in the ground and shimming it up, getting it all level and whatnot. And Ronnie's got to do some more electrical work, which I'm sure he's super psyched about because he loves doing work.
It's not that big of a deal.
Well, I was being honest. I was being serious. Like, you love doing work like this. Like, you probably loved doing the electrical in this shop. You probably just couldn't get it done fast enough.
I mean, it wasn't bad. I don't know if I loved it. I don't know if I would do it every day.
Yeah, but it was like, it was kind of an education, you know? Like,
Yeah.
now you can wire a building. So that's something to add to your freaking skill set right there. Boom.
I think it came out good.
Yeah, it came out super good. It's crazy, like, it's crazy smooth. I mean, Ronnie was down here playing with it for long enough. Not that this shows you guys anything. I'm just rubbing it. I'm petting it because we're so excited. So we were talking about the first thing to put on the lift, and we are, we don't know. We don't know. But we'll definitely have a plan by the time the lift is ready to use. We'll have cars in line. Our cars. Not our friends' cars, our cars.
I wonder if my car will be here by then.
Oh,
And it can be the first car on the
it
lift.
could be the first car on the lift. Oh my goodness. Because it was supposed to be here May or June? Oh, wait. I said June 1st. May 1st we'll be able to use the lift.
Oh yeah, you're right. May
Yeah,
1st.
yeah. I was like missing a whole
Yeah.
month. Like, where did May go? Yeah, May 1st we'll be able to use the lift because this only has to cure for like 28 days.
Yeah.
So it's the 31st today of March. So at the beginning of May. So yeah.
Dang it.
That being said, we will be putting out content in April, just not lift content.
Yeah. So that car won't be the first car on the lift because it won't be here till
Yeah,
sometime
no
in
way.
June.
No way. So that's it, right?
I think so. I think that's it for this video. Concrete.
Yeah, concrete. Hey. Super interesting, right? Anyways, that's it. So what's the next video we're putting out? I don't know. I guess it depends on
There's
when
like
we put
4
this one
videos
out.
on the camera.
Yeah, no. Anyway, we're done. We'll see y'all later.
Bye, guys.